Hey.
I hope it doesn't go through that door.
Hey.
Hey guys! So we're gonna be singing Taylor Swift's Sparks Fly. Will you have to settle over? Okay.
The way you move is like a full-on rainstorm, and I'm a house of cards. You're the kind of reckless that should send me running, but I kinda know that I won't get far. And you stood there in front of me, just close enough to touch, close enough to hope you couldn't see what I was thinking of. Drop everything now, meet me in the pouring rain. Kiss me on the sidewalk, take away the pain, 'cause I see sparks fly whenever you smile. Get me with those green eyes, baby, as the lights go down. Give me something that'll haunt me when you're not around, 'cause I see sparks fly whenever you smile. My mind forgets to remind me you're a bad idea. You touched me once and it's really something to find. I'm even better than you I imagined I would be. I'm on my guard for the rest of the world, but with you I know it's no good. 'Cause I could wait patiently, but I really wish you would drop everything now. Meet me in the pouring rain. Kiss me on the sidewalk, take away the pain, 'cause I see sparks fly whenever you smile. Get me with those green eyes, baby, as the lights go down. Give me something that'll haunt me when you're not around, 'cause I see sparks fly whenever you smile. Get me with those green eyes, baby, as the lights go down. Give me something that'll haunt